Hi everyone! Welcome back to our personal finance series. If you haven't checked our previous video, make sure to watch it to get the basics of personal finance. Let's move on to our next chapter. Today, we're talking about budgeting, a fundamental tool for managing your money. Let's get into it. Why budgeting is important. Budgeting helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you're living within your means. It also helps you identify areas where you can save and allocate funds towards your financial goals. Steps to create a budget. Here are the steps to create a budget. Step 1. List your income. Start by listing all sources of income, including your salary, freelance work, or any other earnings. Step 2. Track your expenses. Write down all your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Step 3. Categorize expenses. Group your expenses into categories like fixed, variable, and discretionary. Step 4. Set goals. Determine your financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Step 5. Adjust and monitor. Regularly review and adjust your budget to stay on track. Tips for sticking to your budget. Here are some tips to help you stick to your budget. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your spending. Set realistic goals and be flexible with your budget. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. To summarize, budgeting is the foundation of good financial management. By creating and sticking to a budget, you can take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.